Hey everyone, I'm super excited to introduce to you the new trade page design, which you see here on the screen. And yeah, let me quickly walk you through the key changes and show you how it looked before. So let me show you how it looks currently in the app. So you see the chart is basically more or less unchanged, but you have the trading widget, which doesn't look too pretty. And everything is centered. So now in this new design, everything is kind of like moved to the left. You see the header part being more prominent, the max yield being highlighted, and you see a completely redesigned order book. So, so as opposed to the other order book, we had like buy market, buy limit, sell market, sell limit, you only see buy and sell. And the limit part is basically implemented by this check. So let me show you. So if you say want to place an order to buy that asset, you would say, okay, I want to buy two for the price of, okay, let's say, I don't know, 0.18. Okay. And if this box is checked, I will create an order. So this gets added to the order book here. So let's quickly simulate that. So here it shows how much I will be paying. And for you as a creator, you don't pay any fees. That's why it shows 0. Okay, cool. Now you see this order was created here. Similarly, if you want to sell something and this is tagged here, um, you can go and let's sell, I don't know, 4 for a price of 0.25, okay? And we want this order to expire in, say, 4 hours. So again, here it shows you the total that you will receive and you don't pay any fees. Oh, sorry for that. Okay, perfect. Now you see it's being added to the order book. Now let's assume there's another user. So we'll take a different account here that wants to buy it. So he doesn't want to place a limit order, but wants to buy it. So in order to do that, he could just uncheck that box and you already see that it's proposing the best price that he could buy at, which is 0.23. Now, if he says wants to buy 5, right, there's enough quantity to cover that amount, it will stay at that price. If he say wants to buy, what is the total here, 16 for instance, right, you see it will calculate the average price here. Let's buy 5. And now you also see this is what I'm paying, plus I will pay 1% fee, which is that amount. So let's fill that. Let's see. Okay, perfect. Okay, now the batch fill limit order transaction is pending. So let's wait a bit, and then we would expect this quantity to reduce by to 2, basically 7 minus 5. And yeah, so let's wait quickly. Okay, now this transaction went through. Now it also notifies us that it went through, and you see, as expected, this disappeared. Yeah, and the sell part basically works exactly the same way. Then we have also redesigned the liquidity sections. So here you see, yeah, we have made it a little bit simpler. So now I'm using a pool which is already expired. So, but yeah, it's actually, you could say I want to add 10 and it would mint you 10 long and 10 short position tokens in return. One additional feature that we added here is that you can actually also select who will receive the long and short side. So this could make sense if you say are adding liquidity to a conditional donation product and you want to donate one side to someone else, or someone else has sent you, I don't know, the payment in fiat and you just want to send them one side. Then you can do it here. Edit it, change the address, and then press add, and it will do the magic in the background. And similarly, you can remove liquidity. So if you own both, like long and short in equal proportions, you can now remove. So here, for instance, I can remove up to 100, and then you see that I would have to pay a fee of 0.025. DUSD and a small settlement fee. So in the end, I will receive an amount which is slightly smaller than 10. Yeah, so these are the key highlights about this new trade page. So try it out and let me know what you think. Thanks a lot.